BIM is a methodology that it's a change in the paradigm of the industry. So affect every single area of the industry, management, cost, design, everything is affected by BIM. When you are implementing BIM, whether it's in a project or in a company, the resistance of the team or the stakeholders, those are the main issues, because if you want to develop a project in BIM, but the rest of the disciplines, for example, plumbing, structure, the rest of your team does not work in BIM, that is difficult. So most of what is happening is like they still are working in CAD and they submit their projects in CAD, and the ones that we are developing in BIM, we need to take care of that work and redo it ourselves, or just trying to develop an hybrid, like working between CAD and BIM, and that is really challenging because you are not moving forward as fast as you should be because of you're using that methodology, and that really holds you back. So you need to find an ally that can connect you with the team so they can be leading the implementation. So collaboration is key. It's key for implementing BIM in a BIM project and in a company. You need to have all your stakeholders convinced and willing to collaborate with you. The resistance to change is because they don't have enough information, and also because they think that they are convinced that they will do it faster the way they are doing it right now. Let's be honest, BIM has a learning curve, and where you're going to be implementing BIM is going to take a time. And also you need to deal with frustration with the team. So you need to be able to manage those frustrations. So some skills are required. You need to understand that implementing BIM also is not cheap and it's not easy. So what happens is some companies or some teams are not willing to invest on making the digital transformation, and when they are investing, they also wanted to see really quick changes. So when implementing, you need to be really smart. So in making like short-term victories, like you're winning this war, and okay, everybody's happy, and you keep them motivating. So let's say like an implementation in a company can last between 1 year, 2 years, depending on how the organization responds. So if you are waiting until the implementation ends, then the team is not going to be motivating during the process. So you need to be really strategic when planning that implementation.